Alright folks, what we got here today is a set of new headlights. They were sent over by SPL Light. You can find a lot of their stuff on Amazon. They reached out to me and wanted to know if I'd try out some of the headlights here on the dirt dauber. And I said, sure, I'll give them a shot. We're going to do an unboxing. We got a product manual, and on the back got a install guide for Jeeps. Alright, they seem to be packaged very well. They are plug and play, so that'll be nice. You won't have to splice any wires or anything like that. These are supposed to have a Z-shaped cutoff line on their beams. That way they don't blind oncoming traffic. That'll be something new I haven't had on any headlights before. The headlights I have on the dirt dauber right now are pretty old and getting outdated, so I thought I'd jump at the chance to try upgrading. They seem very well built. They are IP67 rated for water, completely submergible, and you may think aren't all headlights waterproof, and I can tell you they are not. I've had headlights that ended up looking like an aquarium before, because if you know me and seen some of my videos, you know I like to go through a lot of deep water. You guys know I like my water and my mud holes, so you know I'll be testing these out. You can go to Amazon and check out SPL. They have all kinds of different lights, and these are waterproof, I hope, because I'm going to test them out. They look cool. You know, they have a X on them, kinda. I really like them, and they're super bright. And they are DOT approved. Now it's time for the install. You got to remove the grill. You have 6 of these little tabs that you can use a screwdriver to pop them out. And then down at the bottom there'll be some clips, and you just kind of grab the grill and yank it. Now that we've got all the little plastic pins out, you just pull it back from up here. Then down at the bottom there'll be some clips, and then you'll have to take out your fog lights, running lights, whatever they are down there, and then you'll be ready to access the headlights. You may run into some issues if you have a winch on the front, because you have to pull down at the base to get it to come out, but you should be able to just grab it at the bottom and give it a couple tugs and it'll break free. Alright, now that we've got it loose, just have to take the turn signals out. With that, you just kind of turn them to a 90-degree angle and they pop out. Same for the other side. And the headlights I have on here I got off Amazon years ago. I just thought they were kind of neat looking. No one else had them with the X pattern on them. That's why when SPL Light sent me the new ones, they have kind of a X shape to them in the front too, so I thought they'd fit right in. You can see one of my little fog lights got damaged going through some brush, so I'll end up replacing them too. And once you get the grill off, to get the headlights out, you just have 4 of these bolts to take out, and then it just drops out with the headlight ring still on it. And these old lights didn't come with the anti-flicker built in, so I had to get these adapters for the anti-flicker. The new headlights have it built in, so that'll be pretty nice. As you can see, it's going to be a simple connection. Have your 3-prong female, and then the male. We'll just plug it right in there and put the trim ring on and put the 4 screws in. And you'll want to notice right up here is where you will adjust the beam if you're too high or too low on each side. On the other headlight there, you can just twist it to aim it up or down. Alright, now we just got to hook up the harness here. Just press it in, then push down on the red clip, and it's in there. And we just get the headlights and plug them in. Just simple plug and play. Now we'll just test them before I button them all up. Yep, they work. Now I just gotta push the harness up in there out of the way. Get the trim ring, line it up. Then get the screws and get them in. And now we'll do the same for this side. Just plug it in. And then we'll test this one to make sure it works. Then just like the other side, you take your harness and tuck it up in and out of the way. Get your trim ring. Line up your 4 holes. And then screw it into place. Putting the last screw in now. Now you put your grill on in the reverse way of how you took it off. You go in. Now we got the grill back on. I have to put in the 6 pins back up here at the top, and then it will be done and we can take it out for a test drive. You can see the Z shape here, cuts up and then goes back. It's a pretty cool feature. Shows up very well. Now let's take it down a rough road and see if we can find some mud holes to splash in. Hey, I vote thumbs up on these. They work really well. They're really bright. A lot better than my old ones. I say give them a shot.